Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib and you are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this business card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all we have to set our face. To do it you have to click on here. Then you have to select inches from here, then click on this box, then type here 3.5. Then click on this box, then type here 2. Then click on this box, then type here 300. Then you have to click on the OK. After that you have to select the shape tool from here, then right click on here, then you have to select this tool. Then you have to click on here, then click on here, then type here 3, then click on the OK. Then you have to select this, then you have to rotate this in 90-degree angle, then increase the size of this, then you have to drag this in here. Then right click on this, then click on the desktop. Then select this, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this, then double click on here, then select the red color, then click on the OK. Then you have to click on the anchor point, then right click on this, then click on the flip vertical. Then you have to drag this in here, then select this layers, then drag this layers in here, then select this layer, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this, then you have to double click on here, then select this color, then click on the OK. Then you have to rotate this, then you have to select this layer, then drag this layer under these layers, then select this layer, then click on the anchor point, then right click on this layer, then click on the desktop, then select the shape tool again, then select this tool, then click on here, then click on the OK. Then you have to select this, then rotate this, then you have to select the pen tool, then you have to click on here, 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 then click on the fill, then you have to select this color from here, then select the move tool. After that you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay, then click on here, then click on the blues. After that you have to select this color from here, then select this, then click on the color, then you have to select this color from here, then click on the OK, then select this, then click on the color, then you have to select this color from here, then click on the OK again. Then you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay, then you have to click on here, then you have to select this, then drag this in here, then select this, then drag this in here, then click on the OK. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay, then you have to click on the OK. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then you have to click on the outer glow. Then you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then you have to click on the outer glow, then you have to click on the OK. After that you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay, then click on here, then click on the blues, then you have to select this color from here, then click on the OK. Then you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then you have to click on the gradient overlay, then click on here, then click on the blues, then you have to select this color, then you have to click on here, then click on here, then you have to select this color from here, then click on the OK. Then you have to rotate the color from here, then click on the OK again. After that you have to include the icons and write some text in here. I am already write the text, so I am pasting the text in here. After paste the text you have to set this text in here. After set the text you have to open your logo, so I am opening my logo from a PC. Then select the shape tool, then select the round shape, then draw this shape in here, Then select the move tool, then drag this in here. Then click on the tick mark, then go to the layer panel, then drag this under this layer. Then you have to drag this layer in here. After that you have to select this layer, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this. Then double click on here, then write your company name in here. Then click on the tick mark. Then you have to double click on here, then write your company category in here. Then press Ctrl+A button from keyboard, then click on here, then select the white color, then click on the OK. So now here you can see our business card design has been completed. Now we have to set this business card in a mockup. So I am opening a mockup from my PC. After opening the mockup, you have to double click on here, then select all layers from here, then click on the backspace. Then back to the main project, then unlock all layers from here. Then you have to select all layers from here, then drag these layers in here. Then set this business card in here. After set a business card, you have to press Ctrl+S button from keyboard. Now, here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.